Lupa Koti Tara Changna Pune the Sagadaba Jamnabai Firodia North East India Bhavan Rani Gaidinliu Girls Hostel Ngarang Manipur Lengaki Deputy Chief Minister Losi Dikona Urep-Uyung Tamkhre Project Asi India gi Maming Lairaba NGO Sarhatna Irangi Chaiteng Fanglaba Awang Nongpok Lamdam Maru Oina Manipuri Singidamak Paikatpani Hairiba Hostel Asi Pune gi Kazarda Leiba Guzar Nimbal Karwadida Sagadabani Force Motors ki Chairman Dr. Avi Firodiana Thauram Mapu Oina Sarukya Kiba Urep-Uyung Tamba Aduda Deputy Chief Minister Losi Dikona Fongdokibada Nauna Sagadoriba Hostel Asi Awang Nongpok Lamdam Dagi Lakpa Miyamgi Anishuba Yum Ama Ohenduna Mahai Masing Tamba Yauna Tung Koina Mai Pakpa Punshirol Ama Semnanabagi Mafam Ama Ohensi Firodia gi imong manungna asigumba hostel ama sana na bagidamak achauba thaudang ama laurakpa asi thagattaba ngamde matung tarakpadasu hena masak thokpa thabak thorom sing paikhalakpa oirasanu amaromda state legak nasu mahairoi singda mahai masing tamna na bagi ahenba khudong chaba kaya piduna naha singda sakti pinanaba khonagani haina losi dikona fongdoki thoromaduga mari leinana Firodia na haikibada awang nongpoki miyambu mapan laipaki safuna India dagi tokhaina lehenna ba thaurang tawdabanate masipum namak mai pakhaloidabani pangthokliba Urep-Uyung tambagi thauram asi apikpa ama oirabasu tungdadi aduki mati kanaba mafam ama oigidoribani haina mahakna fongdoki.
This project is much more than just putting up a new building. It represents our shared promise to support young people from every part of India so they get a good education, grow and build a bright and secure future. The northeastern region is a vital part of India's heritage with rich traditions, immense talent and help our country progress.